Hello everyone, my name is Ted Walters and I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing at RestorePoint. We thank you for checking out our brief video about how RestorePoint for over 15 years has helped companies like yours become data-driven. Stay tuned for your offer and next steps. Here we go. RestorePoint is the world's only data unification and integration partner that delivers a proof of value to companies using our data unification engine without any disruption to your business, guaranteed. What challenges does the data unification engine address? Number one, we like to call the data sock drawer. You have multiple clouds and multiple on-premise servers and failed initiatives to move towards one or the other. Now you have to match up several data sources for your company's new analytics project. Where is the data? It's in the data sock drawer. We'll help you find it. Don't worry about it. Number two, your data is being held hostage. The tool belt for today's businesses come in the form of software as a service. They have their own portals and store massive amounts of data, but the data in those tools is being held hostage. Free your data, folks. We're going to help you there too. Challenge number three is spreadsheets. Sure, spreadsheets were fantastic when your company had little data to analyze. Your business units and leadership are looking to you now for digital transformation, analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotic process automation. Any of these sound familiar? You want to achieve this transformation with spreadsheets. And look at how that data is just piling up on your back. Challenge four, time, talent, and treasure. Even if you define the business outcome and the results you hope to realize from your new analytics project, you and your team may not have the time to hire new talent and then research and spend capital on new tools. So you may have just realized, if my leadership were to ask for a regular analysis of our KPIs, it would take at least 6 to 12 months and an untold amount of money to achieve that goal. And the impact is greatest on you. Your leadership thinks the analytics project should be done in a week or so, but they don't know about the data sock drawer. Financially, this could harm you. You might miss a promotion if you don't nail this project. Maybe you're losing sleep and not eating, or eating too much because you just aren't sure where to start. And emotionally, frustration sets in. You get short with your family and can't enjoy your free time. And then speaking of that family time, nobody wants to miss those soccer games for your kid, or when are you going to get a vacation and enjoy it? How might you address these challenges? Well, you could do nothing. You could start from scratch, hire consultants, use Power BI or some other tool that you already have in your environment, or create a cloud data warehouse. Now, do nothing is not a good idea. You all know that we're creating more data every single day than we ever have in our history, and your company is probably no different. You could start from scratch with researching new tools, hiring talent. Then you got to deploy and ongoing management. All those are going to have costs associated with it. You could hire consultants, and our research shows that most likely they're going to come to a company like ours after they do their scope of work, skip the middleman, and go straight to us. Now, if Power BI or Tableau or some other visualization tool was a good idea in the past, you probably would have already done it. The future is in a unified data model and then a common data model applied to all of your data so you can create analytics on the fly. A cloud data warehouse, pretty much where we're going to take you. We're going to do it one business outcome at a time, so you don't have to bite all of that off at one big chunk. Now, taking on this project is like being told you must be at an important company meeting that is a 3-hour plane trip away, and all you have is a plane. A plane's not going to get you there. You still need a crew, you need a pilot, you need to know how much gas, and you need to have a flight plan ready to go. It is time to upgrade your business with RestorePoint's turbocharged data unification engine. Now that is like having a subscription to NetJets, and who doesn't want that? Your professional flight crew will greet you with a smile. The plane is gassed up and the flight plan approved. As you take your seat, you recline to the perfect position and relax, knowing you will arrive at your meeting on time. And because you chose to work with the world's only data unification and integration partner, you will be ready to present up-to-date analysis of your company's most important KPIs. The meeting will be a success, and most importantly, you'll be home in time for your child's soccer game. RestorePoint is the only viable and proven way to solve the data sock drawer dilemma. But don't take our word for it. Here's some proof. Car properties, this is a quote, we saved on our monthly maintenance cost just 90 days after our data unification deployment and automating processes. And now, because we have decoupled our data, we are free to move to any applications that are right for us. More on that soon. We started with one business outcome. This is a director of finance from a healthcare company. One business outcome and a data source, and now we're up to 10 data sources under RestorePoint management. We have improved the valuation of our company by more than 20%, and that has led to our recent acquisition at a greater premium. And a payment processing company, Chief Operating Officer says, our payment processing pain is eliminated thanks to RestorePoint. We have automated payment processes. It's cut our payment time from 30 days down to 2. This is a huge advantage in our industry, and we will add more data sources in the coming months. Here's how we do it. Solving the data sock drawer dilemma. You're going to start on the left here with the data sock drawer. We're going to help you define a business outcome that's going to make the most impact on your business. We're going to identify the data sources required to help you achieve that outcome, and then we're going to unify that those data sources using our data unification engine. We will validate that data with your eyes and our tools. Then we'll automate the update of that data, and then we democratize that data to your entire company. Anyone who needs access to that data and the analytics, we will provide that to them using our unlimited licensing. So here's your options. Do it yourself, try to figure all this out, take on more debt, and the opportunity loss just by having your guys are on projects already, so they're not going to be able to do those projects. They're going to have to take this one on. Or you choose RestorePoint, where your business outcomes are checked. We automate and manage your data so that you and your employees, using our unlimited licensing model, can have access to the data and analysis for their specific role in the business. And now with freedom, your newly decoupled and unified data, your company can now choose the applications that fit your budget and your strategy instead of the one that fits your data. Now here's the offer. Your proof of value is guaranteed. Your customized proof of value using data from your company in just 29 days, or it's on us. Your vastly improved and automatically updated business critical KPIs and processes will provide a savings of up to 50% guaranteed, and confident that your data is validated, accurate, and always up to date. Say it with me. That's priceless. If this is how data makes you feel, book your data dialogue today and get rid of this nauseating pain that is your data craziness in your company. Thanks, and look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.